Welcome to the latest edition of Rare Diseases Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by LucidQuest. Regeneron reported new findings from the ongoing Linker-AL2 Phase 1/2 study, evaluating Lynozyfic, or linvoseltamab, as monotherapy in adults with second-line plus systemic AL amyloidosis. The company highlighted rapid hematologic responses, including complete responses at the highest tested dose level. Registrational intent Phase 2 development continues as investigators further assess the therapy's potential role in this patient population. Agios announced that the European Commission approved PYRUKYND, or mitapivat, for adults with anemia associated with transfusion-dependent and non-transfusion-dependent alpha or beta thalassemia. The approval introduces an oral treatment option in Europe and may influence treatment access and future care pathways for eligible patients. In Japan, new patient starts for Tavneos, or avacopan, resumed following updates to prescribing information related to serious liver injury. The revised materials include additional precautions, monitoring recommendations, and treatment discontinuation criteria. The changes may affect prescribing practices and patient monitoring workflows. Kwangdong received approval from Korea's Ministry of Food and Drug Safety for Elfabrio, or pegunagalicide alpha, in adult patients with Fabry disease. The long-term enzyme replacement therapy expands available treatment options and may improve access for patients in the Korean market. Sanofi announced that the FDA accepted the new drug application for Venglustat in type 3 Gaucher disease with neurological manifestations and granted priority review. The agency assigned a target action date of 25 November 2026. The review marks an important regulatory milestone for a condition with significant unmet medical need. AstraZeneca and Alexion reported results from the Phase 3 CARES program evaluating anselamimab in AL amyloidosis. While the overall study population did not meet the primary endpoint, the companies reported survival and cardiovascular hospitalization benefits in a pre-specified subgroup of patients with kappa light chain disease. Additional analyses and future discussions are expected as the data are reviewed. Brainstorm Cell Therapeutics highlighted a publication examining regulatory approaches for ALS, rare diseases, biomarkers, artificial intelligence, and regenerative medicine. The authors advocated broader use of tools, including accelerated approval pathways, adaptive clinical trial designs, and biomarker qualification frameworks to support innovation in rapidly evolving disease areas. Everest Medicines and Travere Therapeutics entered into a licensing agreement for civorebrutinib, an investigational oral reversible BTK inhibitor being developed for immune-mediated rare kidney diseases. Under the agreement, Travere obtained development and commercialization rights outside China and selected East and Southeast Asian markets, expanding its rare disease pipeline portfolio. Stay ahead in rare diseases research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com